Good morning and welcome everyone. I am Stephen and I'm thrilled to kick off Leader Tread's very first product webinar. We'll be diving into the Diamond Tread range with a special spotlight on our latest innovation. Let's keep the session interactive, so feel free to drop any questions in the chat. We have packed everything into a focused 20-minute session, so let's get started. Here's a quick look at what we'll be covering today. We'll start with a brief overview of the Diamond Tread range, then spotlight on the new DD1. After that, we'll compare it with the older D multi-pattern so you can see how far we came. We'll end off with a Q&A session to make sure we've answered your most important questions. Our Diamond Tread range has been engineered to deliver reliable performance in demanding applications, whether it's highway, regional, or mixed use. Our directional drive axle design focus on delivering enhanced traction, low rolling resistance, and excellent durability. Let's break down the key characteristics of this lineup. Starting with the DMS. When the road leads off the beaten path, the Diamond DMS pattern is your trusted companion. Designed for on-off road directional drive axles, this tread thrives in severe off-road condition. Expect excellent traction and durability to withstand whatever challenge the environment throws your way. Diamond Tread DMS helps you to conquer every terrain with confidence. The DMS is a directional drive tread design engineered for optimal traction and stability in one rolling direction. The Diamond DMS has robust center lugs, which ensure strong grip, excellent power transfer, and pressure distribution. The aggressive side lugs on the DMS enhance lateral stability, improve cleaning, and add off-road resilience. With the triangle-shaped lug indents, it aids in traction and reduces heat buildup. This improves the tread's life. Let's focus on the DFE. The DFE pattern presents a new generation of tire treads with low rolling resistant fire-up design. Not only does it deliver remarkable mileage, but it also saves you money at the pump. Experience cooler running and advanced wing technology, along with tapered shoulder that helps prevent severe scuffing. With Diamond Tread DFE, you'll go the extra mile while saving on fuel costs. The DFE reinforced wing design adds shoulder strength, reduce tearing, and reduce edge wear under heavy loads. The 5-rib tread design on the DFE ensures balanced pressure distribution and low rolling resistance for improved fuel economy. We are proud to announce that our Western Cape distribution partner, Meridian Logistics, has tried and tested the DFE with remarkable results. Although the test process is still in its early phase, it's clear that the product's performance is exceeding everyone's expectations. With the OTD at 13mm and the remaining tread measured at 9mm, the product has worn 4mm. Taking into account that the vehicle has travelled over 161,000 kilometers, that's an astonishing 40,000 kilometers per millimeter, making the DFE a best-in-class contender in any long-haul trailer application. As Johan Miller, owner of Meridian Logistics, has said, sticking with the DFE was easy. Now let's focus on the DTA. The 5-rib configuration ensures even load distribution and boosting of mileage. Multiple rib sipes enhance control and traction on wet surfaces. 4 wide grooves efficiently channel water, offering optimal lateral traction. The edge rib design enhances stone ejection and casing protection, making this flat pre-cured tread a durable choice for diverse road conditions. The DTA's aggressive rib pattern delivers excellent product stability. The optimized land-to-sea ratio on the DTA enhances water dispersion. Now onto the DZU3. For regional bus and trailer application, there's no better choice than the DZU3 pattern. This all-wheel position tread is engineered to excel in demanding regional environments. Count on exceptional performance, durability, and reliability no matter where your journey takes you. The 5-rib tread design on the DZU3 promotes even load distribution and contributes to precise handling and stability. The DZU3 offers a non-directional tread pattern. This enables full rotation flexibility and maximized tread life. Now the DZY. The DZY tread, precision engineered with innovative stone injection, provides optimal traction on any terrain. Its on-off-road versatility makes it an ideal choice for drivers adapting to diverse conditions. The DZY's closed shoulder design improves wear resistance in regional and on-off-road applications. The multi-edge lug design on the DZY promotes multiple biting edges to improve traction on wet, loose, or uneven surfaces. This is ideal for on-off-road tire performance. And now, for the star of the show, the Diamond DD1.
This is the new era of performance. Meet the DD1, the latest diamond tread pattern engineered to go further, grip harder, and last longer. Designed with a premium compound, the DD1 offers exceptional mileage, outstanding heat resistance, and tough, consistent wear. Its aggressive shoulder blocks and wide footprint deliver serious traction. From urban deliveries to long hauls, this tread is built to handle it all. Less downtime, more value per casing. The DD1 doesn't just perform, it outperforms, giving your fleet the edge in every kilometer. Tough, tested, trusted. The new DD1 from Diamond Tread, only available from Leader Tread, leading the way.
Now let's look at how the DD1 improves on the outgoing D-Multi tread. One of the biggest upgrades is the improved Lancy ratio, which contributes to better water dispersion and wear consistency. You will notice wider grooves and chunkier lugs with chamfered edges, giving you a stronger bite and better heat management. The DD1 is the latest innovation in our trusted Diamond tread range, designed to deliver reliable mileage, consistent performance and superior wear resistance. Engineered with a robust flat pre-cured tread design, the DD1 is ideal for fleets seeking long-term value without compromising traction or safety. Let's look at the advantages of the DD1 over the D-Multi. The DD1 has improved Lancy ratio with wider grooves, larger, chunkier lugs with chamfered edges, more biting edges, lateral reliefs and subs for heat dissipation and added grip. Onto the D-Multi. The D-Multi is less effective for mud and water clearance. It has simpler, more uniform lug or blocks, fewer biting edges, minimal interlocking features, more prone to uneven lug flex under load.